magpalit kayo ng baterya. Nakita niyo, meron po siyang body crack. Pagka meron pong crack, nangyari po niyan is lalabas yung kanyang acid. Kasi pagka habang matakong yan, yung baterya nagcha-charge ito, then nagcha-charge at umiinit po ito talaga. Yung pag-iinit, siyempre yung ano niya, acid niya sa loob, hanap siya ng malalabasan. Dahil may kakaling baterya. So ang issue po nito is reklamo ng ang function na mayari. Mahirapan sila mag-start since late morning. The reason why is because the battery damage na yung baterya. More or less nito lumubog ito. Bloated battery, bloated po ito, bloated na. So yung mga contact cells na sa loob, battery cells sa loob is not in good condition. So kaya mahirapan mag-start, especially in the morning. And then mayroon pong dahilan ito kung bakit siya dito nag-crack. Either sobrang higpit ng pagkakabit, higpit, and then overcharge. Kaya po ang mga bagong design ng mga alternator, regulator na kapalito siya, hindi na siya. So mga modern na alternators talagang regulator, power regulator, napakaloob sa dahilan po dito pagka mga ganito, either meron crack o overcharge yung kanyang sa baterya, overcharging sa monitor. Kaya in this case hindi po siya overcharge, meron lang po siya crack talaga ng kadahilan ng quality yung kanyang battery acid. At saka pagka pinabayaan po ito ng ganito, nakukos po ito ng sunog kasi mag-explode po ito, more or less mag-explode ito and mag-cause ng fire. So check din sometimes sa yung baterya guys, pag meron ng acid na naman yung baterya bloated na po kagaya nito, i-check nyo yung body. Pag yung body, lumubo na yung body, ibig sabihin bloated na siya at hindi na maganda ang impact ng yung battery po kasi natin, mayroon itong warranty or lifespan like 2 years. So even though sa palagay ko gamit niya sa sakyan, pero nagsasama ka na nag-start, pero check mo pa rin yung kanyang yung kanyang health, battery health system. Kasi undercharge nangyayari. Palitan nyo na lang pagka 2 years. Kasi ang mga modern na sasakyan ngayon nilay talaga sa battery system. Natin. So again, once na mag-start na kasi yung engine, once you start up the engine, the alternator will take over power supply. Ngayon, itong battery is lang ito, like storage power lang itong battery. So minsan power siya, pero pwede rin siya mag-supply pagka meron siya power. So storage power siya pagka mag-start na yung alternator. So again, pagka mga ganitong scenario, merong acid na sabihin meron ng leaking. Kaya dito meron crack. So battery damage na po. At saka never use battery with the crack. Very dangerous. Kung fire explode dito, nakabit na natin yung bago. Dito ito. Tingnan natin yung power nito. 540 amperes. Po ang pagkabit talaga, plug and play, and then iwasan mo lang na magkabaliktaran yung kanyang battery. Positive is red, negative is black. Sometimes you put the red on the black. At gaya nito, wala na makikita na red. Ito yung positive, wala na makikita na negative or red na connector. Yes, like you can see here, yung positive po na terminal is pag halimbawa pag wala kayong makikita na signs like dito, battery signs like positive or negative on the other side, malalaman din ninyo din kasi yung positive is always bigger. As you can see, positive, this is positive, this is negative. Negative is smaller, positive is bigger. Just in case na walang mga signs dito na nakalagay, so ma-determine na makadetermine mapapansin ninyo medyo maliit yung bago power to the other one because it has more cranking. Imagine that is 540. thing, no. Garage have it, yeah, of course, yeah. Garage. Only garage has the thing. Because that pretty expensive, man. You know what I mean? Yeah. Some are 7 grand, some are 12 grand. It depends upon the brand. You know? Yeah. And if you are only fucking spoon timer, then it's no way you can buy it. No. It depends on the machine. Like, depends on like brand or model of the machine. But, all the diagnostic doesn't have the same function. They have different functions. Know what I mean? Yeah? So I recommend you go to the other side. Otherwise, that problem of yours cannot be solved. If it is the problem of your car cannot be solved, it is need high-tech diagnostics. Start natin yung makina. Okay. Sounds like that. Mag-start ba siya? Kanina hindi siya nag-start dahil yung battery niya is bad battery.